May 1 hour left. Look at my shirt. Daming teddy bear. One hour na lang, lapit na. Close 16 miles left. See you, Mami. Papakita ko sa inyo pagdating namin.
One of my
Yung
favorite
dadalawin ko,
renditions
which
of
is si
that
Mami.
tune. We also heard
Kasama ko na si Mami sa vlog before. Baka bukas kasi gagala kami ng very mahaba. Ano, sa Sunday. Sama ko kayo sa aming gala. Mommy is there? Yeah, I heard it.
She's not home.
I heard it. She's there. Hello. How are you?
Alright.
Oh, dami malunggay.
Nagutom na kami.
Hello, me. Naglatagaw mi ni Mami. This is our car na open air.
Remember ba? Before sabi
Ganda ng flower. Nakita ko yun sa daanan, sabi ko ang ganda. Diba dito may alaga mo?
Dumaan ka ba dito?
Dati, wala pa yan eh. Ngayon lang na mulaklak kasi spring ngayon eh. So, diba, dito kami, dalawa na kami. Ikot muna kami bago uwi diretso. Ikot-ikot. Ganda din flower. We have Mom's golf cart. Pakatahimik. Ganda o purple. Ay,
Ano maka maganda.
pakalapit na niya, no?
Buga. Ano to?
Oo, yan. Ganda din.
Nasa house ko.
Lapit na, no? Yan pa yung, di ba dati harang pa lang yan? Puro yan, ano dyan.
Nalego na kami dyan.
Ganda. Tapos malapit na. Yung bagong swimming pool dito sa loob ng community. On the way back home na kami.
Punta tayo doon.
Oh, ikot-ikot pala muna.
Maganda doon. Nakakapunta.
Tahimik lang dito. Pero maganda mag-ano dito, unwind lang. Sarap ng hangin paghapon eh. Manood ng sunset. Dami mga ano dito. Pwedeng palaro, golf cart. Mag-golf. Ang sweet naman ito, under the tree. Ito, wow, that's pretty. May mga golf cart dito, palaroan. Fish fountain. Basketball. Stop kami dito. Ayan. Pwede dito umupo. Kasi sila doon, oh, may sarili din sila upuan. Ito yung sakay namin. Sige, me. Ganda, oh. Pakaliwala. Sarap ng hangin. Malamig. Look at that. Bata. Ang ganda, oh. Pakita mo, me.
Ah.
Baka mahulog. Ang ganda, oh. Bye! This is the delete. Ikot-ikot. Yung fountain, ah. Pabalik na kami. Ang ating photo-photo shoot, picture-picture. malalim mababaw. Go-kart kasi dito palaruan eh. Na may yung tingin playground. Mountain, so pretty.
Dito na ako dito.
Good morning! It's another day. Today is Saturday here in Florida, Castleberry. We're going up to the game. Maganood muna kami ng baseball. At tomorrow, gagala na namin si Mommy. My driver quick tab. Parang mini ice cream sa Wendy and fries, nuggets. Ito naman burger. That's our lunch today. Wendy's pala. There you go. Masarap. Okay. Papunta na kami sa laro, day. Totoo na to, day. What time? 12:59. Malapit lang, mga 40 minutes lang away. And kumain rin kami. Nang una nag-stop kami sa Asian store. Hindi natin kumain kami sa Wendy. And then, hinatid lang na yung mga binili namin. Now, on the way na kami sa laro. Aking driver. Ganda nito na. Lagi kong gamit. Kasi I like it. This is Orlando downtown.
Getting there.
About to.
He would have us tickets to go to the games. Right over there is going to be the Kia Center. That big gray building. Silver, gray, whatever you want.
We're here on Orlando Pirates football game. Years old. Her name is Lula. Ah, 7:21 on the way home na kami papunta sa bahay ng mami ko. Bukas pasyal na naman kami. Grabe yung driver ko dahil lumilipad yung kotse
Where we live, I only pay $179 for my lot.
Living! Mami!
And $79.
Na kami. Kami sa
It was
Dito,
when I
Shopee.
first moved there in 2018. It was only 147, but it's went up twice, and it's only up to 179.
Wow, this is very nice.
Yeah.
kausap ko sa Pilipinas.
Those.
Gonna see the animals. Go to the showcase citrus. On the way na kami. Ride in a big truck with mommy. I'll show you. Oh, there you go. This
You got
one
that
also.
Here, let me get this way.
Slowly. We're here na in a showcase citrus. Look at that. May pakpak yung kabayo. Oh, may tubig yung crocodile. Pasok tayo dyan mamaya. Magra-ride tayo ng malaking truck. Hey! Hello! Naka-video. Tayo sa welcome center nila. Let's go. Hi! Video kabilaan. Ganda.
Oh wow, this
This is their welcome center. Mga souvenir. Monster. Mommy have a big bucket of food to feed for the animals. We're here showcase citrus. Sasakay kami dyan, oh. Ayun na pala.
There you go.
Mami, pakita natin ng laman.
Jack. Hey, Jack.
Ah, puruta. Ay, gulay pala. You go inside. Thank you.
S'il vous plaît, don't spill the bucket.
Let's fill the... Do not eat yet.
Try to get me a seat on the end.
Okay. We're gonna go in. Ito siya, may. Diyan kami. Dito siya. You go there? Bakit? Truck na sinakyan namin, oh. Ganyan yung itsura. Dito na kami ngayon. With mommy. We're leaving now. Bumpy, bumpy. Bye, Hey, be careful. Bye bye. Yeah. Busy also feeding them. There's somebody in here. Oh, there's one more here. You give feed also. Mommy feed them again. There you go, May. Lapit na.
Mama, lift Kylan up so he can.
May, smile ko, May. 1, 2. Yeah, may... Yeah.
There you go.
He's still eating.
The girls got the food, buddy. There you go. Turkey.
Turkey. Sige, May. Yun o yung isa, oh. Kinakain pa. Turkey. Sige na. A picture. Dami.
Here you go. He's looking. He's hungry. There are the girls hanging out with the asses. The burros, the donkeys.
You're so slowly. You should look more so you're gonna be. Come on. There. Eat it.
Tortoise sitting on his friend's back.
We feed the donkey ba yan? Ay, tamo pa yung baboy. May baboy.
Oh, it's right here, Rico. Look.
Malakas talaga kumain ng baboy. Yan, bigyan kita, May. May pakainin mo siya, May. Ang kilit. Wala, nangsaka na dyan siya. Very friendly ba ni mo, eh? Hello. Oh, pakainin na dyan. Madami na, oh. Kami na one.
Oh, he ain't mine. Good boy. No.
Ups, later. Feeding the goats.
Hey, come on.
It's under there. He's running down. You gonna feed the pigs? Jinky, you gonna feed the pig? There you go, buddy. Don't make a pig of yourself.
Me and the pig.
Look at the tortoise. There's a tortoise under there. See him? Jinky, there's a live tortoise.
May totoong turtle may oh. Tapo na to.
Here, give it to me. I'll throw it to him.
Totoong turtle oh. O, diba? Gumagalaw yung turtle. Ano ba to? Pakatakaw. Oh, kain niyo ako.
Look at the pig pushing the turtle out of the way. You hog. You leave that turtle alone. Did you just steal his lunch?
Tuwak. Dahil nagbigay tayo ng food kaya siya first time feeding ah. There you go. He eat it.
Bath time.
Real ninong gonna be a clown now again. America day.
He must. Got your rubber ducky?
Rubber ducky. Rubber ducky.
Rubber ducky, you're the one. You make bedtime lots of fun. Rubber ducky, you're the only one for me.
Uwian na. Uwian na. Next time again. Cold po. Bye-bye. We need to go back home na guys. Kaya maaga yung appointment para bukas. Bye-bye. Hello. Gusto na yan? We're going home. Next time again. Oh no, kasi headache. Thank you.
Thank you.
I got 2 yards to do tomorrow.
Thank you.
Bye. You guys are gonna stop by, just let us know.
Bye. Bye. Hey, bye. Philippines.